Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tintin Padilla. For today's video, papakita ko sa inyo yung another way of doing French tip using the dip powder with the mahiwagang container ni Kiara Sky. So, hope you guys watch till the end. And please, habang nanonood kayo, like nyo na rin yung video and subscribe. So, here you go. We will start with halfly done nails since napakita na namin sa inyo before kung paano yung start off ng dip extensions or dip powder rather. So yan, we'll start with the hairline kasi naka 3/4 na siya, and then dip with white dip powder gamit ang mahiwagang container. So yan, automatic na smile line. And then, this is the natural powder. Isa-spoon natin kasi hindi pwedeng i-dip kasi hahalo yung white powder. Magkakaroon ng white, kuning-kuning yung dip, yung natural powder. And then, yan, tak-tak. And then, brush off. Next is, ulitin natin yung process. This time naman, full nail na. So, another base. So, gamit ang mahiwagang container. Yan, i-dip natin. So, tak-tak. And then, kukutsarahin ang natural powder. Okay. So, yan. Gawin natin ito. So, next nail. After the clear powder, ayan, number 3, the Seal Protect to protect the products. Siya rin yung magpapatigas ng products yan na nilagay natin. So, mag-absorb yan lahat ng mga powders na, layers of powders na nilagay natin. Tayin lang nating matuyo yung Seal Protect. Ito sa kabilang nails is tuyo na yung Seal Protect. Now we file. Ito yung first filing. So for the next step, Seal Protect uli for the second time. Tapos, we will just let it dry for the second filing before we apply top coat. So, now we will apply the first layer of top coat. Now, yan na si Snow White. Kuko ni Snow White. Anyway, the second layer of top coat, ayan na yung glossy finish. And then, we're done! Yay! So, there you have have it. Hope you guys like today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below kung ano yung gusto nyong next nail ventures ko. And please tap nyo na rin yung bell button to get notified on my latest uploads. Once again, I'm Tintin Padilla. Join me again on, on my next nail venture. Thank you for watching!